Fashion didn't start in the West. And you can say me wrong, but it is what it is. India didn't follow fashion. Fashion followed India. And do you know, we are the trendsetters. Our kings and queen didn't follow trends, but they created them. In the Indus Valley, people wore dyed fabric, intricate jewelries, and they wore garments with intentions. Every trend that you see today, the tie-dye, block printing methods, the layering, draping, and embroideries, and even gold jewelries, they all were practiced in India long ago, long before it walked someone else's runway. We're always told we are wearing too much, overdressed, overstyled, or heavy, too Indian-y. But isn't India made for more? It's not excess, this is expression. Do you know the less is more trend? No, that's not for Indians. Because India was never meant to be less. It was always meant to be more. Because here dressing was never a style. Or people didn't dress for just fashion. They dressed it for identity. The Silk Road carried Indian craftsmanship across the world. Because the world always wanted what India always had. This is never a trend. This is a legacy that India holds. This is the third part of the Forgotten Threads, where every thread tells a story. Say me, what do you